Hey there, I want you to stop whatever you're doing and pay attention to this because this video presentation could be your golden key to everlasting health. I'm going to show you effective ways to having a healthy heart and unlock the secrets to a long, vibrant life. You'll discover ways to a healthy lifestyle by eating the right kinds of foods for a strong heart. I truly believe this will be a life-changing experience for you. When you start to see positive results and notice incredible changes in your health. Are you experiencing any sore or bleeding gums? Is your decreased sexual desire preventing you and your partner from having a fulfilling sex life? Do you constantly feel an aching sensation in your shoulder and chest area? If your answer is yes, then let me tell you this. You are in danger of dying early. Why? Because you're at risk of developing serious heart diseases like heart attack, which is the top cause of death in the United States. True fact here. According to experts, about 610,000 people die of heart disease in the United States annually. That's 1 in every 4 deaths. It goes to show that heart diseases are the leading cause of death for both men and women in the U.S. Now the question is, what are you going to do about it? Your current lifestyle habits are damaging and harmful to your overall health. Your body probably isn't working the same way as it once was. You don't feel as energetic as you used to be anymore. Despite how fit you are, you feel breathless easily or cough a lot after walking up a flight of stairs. You have unusually loud snoring that sounds like you're choking or gasping. And you notice recently your legs and feet look puffy or swollen. That's why you need to do something about your health today. Here's something interesting. Studies show those who drink an average of 1 can of soda per day have a 20% higher risk of having a heart attack or dying from a heart attack. If your diet consists of foods high in saturated fats and calorie-induced soft drinks, then you've got to change your eating habits before you have a heart attack. Or better, toss them in the trash can now because the extra calories are slowly killing you. Trust me, you don't want to damage your health permanently for temporary fulfillment. The average lifespan of a person is 79 years. Your current unhealthy diet could potentially cut your lifespan by 10 years. You're really sabotaging your own health. Let's say you're 55 this year. With your hazardous habits of slowly digging your early grave, you can easily take away 10 or 20 years of life. And how sure are you it's not more than that? How many years will you be left with then? If you're married with kids, what's going to happen to your family? How will they feel about losing you? And more importantly, who's going to take care of them when you're gone? Have you ever thought about that? Or if you're single, what about your pet? Who's going to look after them? Poor Max, poor Daisy will be all alone. Now that you know what will happen if you don't start taking better care of your heart today, would you like to discover how you can maintain a healthy heart and live a long, vibrant life? If I can show you ways to a healthy lifestyle by eating the right kinds of foods for a strong heart, would you do it? If your mind is set on what you need to do, then this message is the ultimate life-changing experience you'll need to get your health back on track. Introducing Healthy Heart Remedy, a life-changing blueprint on how anyone can have a healthy heart and unlock the secrets to a long, vibrant life. With your permission, I want to take you on a journey of reclaiming your health. You will not be disappointed. This go-to master guide will show you how to live a healthy lifestyle by eating wholesome foods for a strong heart. You will learn the importance of maintaining a healthy heart and find out life-saving emergency care for anyone who is going through a heart attack. It would be impossible to show you everything in Healthy Heart Remedy now, so let me show you what's inside in a nutshell. To sum it up, I will teach you how to identify the types of complications a patient might experience after getting a heart attack, discover effective emergency care options to care for heart disease patients, learn healthy lifestyle choices to maintain a strong heart, Uncover the best kind of natural healing for your heart. Identify wholesome, well-balanced foods that you can eat to sustain it. And so much more waiting to be unearthed inside. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This might be the game changer you've been looking for, considering that you want to live a long, vibrant, healthy life well beyond your golden years. You want to prevent getting a heart attack because you still have family to take care of. You want to eat your way to a stronger and healthier heart. You want to find out which emergency care options are the best in case someone around you is having a heart attack. You want to know the different kinds of natural healing for your heart. You will start seeing positive results and notice amazing changes when you implement what you're about to learn in Healthy Heart Remedy. And there's no better time than right now to start taking charge of your health. So here's the deal. All you have to do from here onwards is simply implement the methods into your lifestyle in the next 30 days. These result-oriented methods are easy to apply, and if you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, do I need to remind you that you are potentially killing yourself if you choose not to do anything about your health? But if Healthy Heart Remedy isn't every bit as fantastic as I say it is, simply return it for a full refund. No questions asked. I'll see that your money is promptly refunded. Fair enough? You have my word on it. And the good news, for just a tiny investment, you get to claim this entire amazing blueprint as your own. Why wait another day? Your investment in Healthy Heart Remedy is 100% guaranteed. Act now to snap up these fast action bonuses. Secret bonus number 1, complete checklist, step-by-step guidelines, and easy to follow action steps for you to break huge topics into easy, digestible chunks. Secret bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. Visually appealing mind maps to outline everything you're going to discover in Healthy Heart Remedy. You get all these bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. So don't wait anymore. The power to change your life is here right now. With Healthy Heart Remedy, you'll see what a huge difference a healthy lifestyle can make to strengthen your heart in a way you've never thought possible. There's zero risk, so give this method a try. Give your health a fighting chance. That's all I ask. Get your copy now and use it as your master guide to having a strong, healthy heart and leading a long, vibrant life. This is for you and your family before it's too late.